Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of CA Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We have just begun fall, but I'm still not quite ready to let summer go yet. So I'm going to be celebrating today with a homemade ZARUSOBA, which is a Japanese dipping noodle. In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and make the metsuyuu, which is going to be our dipping sauce. We're going to make some nice, easy, cold soba noodles. Not from scratch, don't worry about that part, and some fun toppings to place on top. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we have our ingredients here. We're gonna start off with some scallions. We're gonna slice those up. Buckwheat soba noodles, just a dried form. Mirin, which is a sweetened rice wine. Soy sauce. Sake, you could get this in the cooking aisle. And we have dashi powder, I'm cheating here, sorry, and nori. Into a pot, we're gonna go ahead and add half a cup of mirin, half a cup of soy sauce, and we're gonna add a quarter cup of sake and a cup of water. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of our dashi powder here. We're gonna get the nice smoky flavor, and we're gonna heat that on the stove just until everything dissolves. Shouldn't take too long. In the meantime, we're gonna slice up our scallion. This is gonna be our garnish. Just like so, I have about 3 scallions here. And then I'm going to take 1 sheet of nori, fold it in half a couple times, cut it, and then cut it into shreds. Once our water is boiling, unsalted water by the way, we're going to add in our bundles of soba noodles. I'm using about 3 bundles here, and I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to save the broth here. This is called sobayu. You could drink this later when it cools down. I like to use it to kind of dilute the metsuyuu. And we're gonna make sure we rinse that out. We want to get rid of that starchiness. And this is what it looks like here. Garnish like so with a bit of nori, wasabi, and scallions. And then dip it in that metsuyuu. Add a little water if needed. Yum! If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you for next week. Bye!